The people who build wealth consistently do one thing in December that most people skip: a complete financial review. Here's the checklist. Calculate total income from all sources this year. Maximize 401k and IRA contributions before December 31st. Harvest tax losses. Sell losing investments to offset gains before year-end. Assets. Bank accounts, investments, home equity, valuable property. Liabilities. Mortgage, car loan, student loans, credit cards. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. Track year-over-year change. Which financial goals did you hit? Celebrate those. Which goals did you miss? Why? Execution or wrong goal? Set 1 to 3 specific, measurable financial goals for next year. Review beneficiary designations on all accounts. Life events may have changed this. Shop insurance policies before renewal. Auto, home, life. Check if long-term disability insurance coverage matches current income. Download my year-end financial review checklist at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.